Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it is Saturday and I think I'm gonna vlog today. Just like a little Saturday in my life, not necessarily weekend, because I don't know, I'm just doing like some productive stuff today mostly, because Sundays are more like relaxing, doing homework, you know, not like typical fun stuff. But I will be doing like college videos soon and like college week in my life maybe, and that's when I'll talk about like that type of stuff. But I strictly just wanted today to just vlog my Saturday for you guys. And today is the 29th, I believe, and it is so nice out today. I went out because I had to go to like the bank and stuff, and it's just like it's sunny, which makes it like nice, and like in the sun it feels not warm but like nice. I don't know if you know what I mean. And then when it's like breezy, it's like really like fall and like cool. This is my outfit for today. I actually threw on a hat because my baby hairs were like going crazy, and I was just like, no, I'm not doing this. And then I just forgot I had this shirt. I wanted to wear like a long sleeve shirt, so this is my Ocean City, Maryland shirt when I went there for vacation. And the back is just in big letters, it says like the same thing, and then just like dark jeans. But yeah, I just wanted to vlog for you guys today, and today is National Coffee Day. And if you know me, I love coffee and I usually always get Starbucks, as you can see in like all my other vlogs. But I don't think Starbucks like offers that like free Starbucks or free drinks or like any discounts like that. So I got Dunkin' Donuts, and I do like Dunkin' Donuts. I actually really like their iced coffees, but this one was really good. I wanted like a latte, but I guess that's not like part of the deal. So I got a hazelnut hot coffee. And it's actually really good. Just better than like a regular. It's really good, and it reminds me of like fall and that type of stuff. So I was like, you know what, let me just try it, and it's actually really good. And yeah, I'm just gonna have like a really relaxing and chill night, and I'll bring you along with what I do. I'm not gonna like say everything I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna bring you guys along, and I hope you guys enjoy this little relaxing fall type of vibey Saturday. But yeah, I will catch you guys later. Guys, I'm in the car, not my car, but me and my dad are gonna go to the supermarket really quickly and grab a few stuff. We usually do this like Sundays, but we're gonna get it out of the way today and get a lot of good groceries, and I'll show you guys maybe like a little grocery haul of like mainly the things that I eat or use, because we get a lot of stuff obviously, because it's not just for me or him, it's for the house. So that's what we're about to do right now, and it's so nice out today. It's just like cool but like sunny. I just love it, and I'm happy. I wore my hat. I haven't worn my hat in like so long, but yeah. is literally the best muffin ever. It's called a pistachio muffin, and it is so freaking yummy. Like 10 out of 10 recommend. Oh my god, it looks a little squished. Alright guys, we just came back from the market a little while ago. I had a pistachio muffin as like a little snack, and it was so yummy. I honestly recommend it if you have that like near you in like a cafe or a supermarket. It's so good. And I don't really like having like the muffin, what am I saying? I don't really like having the actual like nut itself. I just rather have like the muffin. That's the way I like it. But I'm so tired, so I think I'm just gonna take like a little nap right now, and I'm gonna bake later on tonight and just have a chill night, have dinner, maybe watch like a movie and all that cozy stuff. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, I showered, I washed my hair. I had to freaking shower while one of the batches of the cookies were baking because I just wanted to get it out of the way. It's 8:50 and I'm gonna end off this little vlog here just because I finished baking, and I'm just gonna eat some cookies, relax, watch maybe like a movie. My boyfriend's gonna come over, so I'm just gonna like relax for the rest of the night. Nothing really exciting to vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little chill, productive vlog. And yeah, I'm going to be posting a really exciting video. Maybe, I don't know if it's probably gonna go up after this. So yeah, I'm super excited for that, and I'm just so excited to like be filming so many videos for you guys and really being consistent with like my uploads and stuff. And I am trying, like I said, to get 3 videos up a week, but like I don't know if that's like, maybe, I don't know, I might do 2. I don't know yet. I have to just see, like week by week I'll see, you know what I mean, like if I have a lot of work to do or not, because I feel like I don't want to just force a video, you know what I mean. But if I can put up 3 videos a week, like obviously I'm gonna do it, you know what I mean. But yeah, I've just been really consistent with that, doing like all my homework on time so that I have time to like edit and upload, which editing is actually like one of my favorite parts about like uploading. I don't know, I really love editing and like finding new things that I want to like add, or I don't know, I just really like it. I look so like, I don't know, weird right now, I guess because I don't have like mascara on. But yeah, I'm just gonna end off the vlog here. My hair is like soaking wet, that's why I keep touching it and moving it around. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.